The average Tacoma owner pays around $52,000 for a TRD Pro and uses about 5 of its features. 5 out of 30. The other 25 are buried in menus, hidden under buttons most owners never press, or tucked into screens nobody knows exist. Today we're going through the most useful 7, including one button on the dashboard that gives you 30% more off-road capability that 90% of owners have never touched. By the end of this video, you'll get more truck out of your truck than the dealer who sold it to you. Here's the one thing, even if you click off in the next minute, you can do tonight in your driveway. Open your multi-info display, the screen between your gauges. Cycle through the menus with the left arrow until you find Tire Pressure. Not the warning light, the actual menu. It shows you individual PSI for all 4 tires in real time. Not just low tire warning, actual numbers, every tire, all the time. That single setting alone catches slow leaks weeks before the warning light triggers and saves you a roadside emergency on a long trip. Free, built into every Tacoma since 2016. Most owners have never seen it. That's the floor. We're stacking 6 more on top. Here's the part that drives me crazy. You pay $40,000 to $60,000 for a Tacoma. Maybe more if you got hit with markup. The truck has 30+ features built in, many of them genuinely useful, some of them legitimately game-changing for off-road use, towing, or daily driving comfort. And what do you get at delivery? A 15-minute walkthrough where the salesperson shows you the touchscreen, points at the JBL stereo, mentions Apple CarPlay, and says, "Any questions?" And you hand over the keys. That's it. That's the entire onboarding for the most feature-dense midsize truck on the market. Why? Because most Tacoma sales reps have never used crawl control, never touched the stabilizer disconnect, never set up the Toyota Connected Services app. They're not trained on it because Toyota's training program focuses on selling the truck, not teaching you how to drive it. So you go home with a TRD Pro that can climb rocks autonomously, communicate with a tracking system from your phone, and disconnect its own anti-roll bar at the push of a button, and you use it like a regular pickup. Daily commute, grocery runs, maybe a Home Depot trip. That's the gap. By the end of this video, you'll close it. First, crawl control. The off-road cruise control nobody uses. If you own a TRD Off-Road or TRD Pro, you have crawl control. It's the single most impressive piece of off-road tech on any factory truck under $80,000. Here's what it does. You set a speed, anywhere from 1 to 5 miles per hour. You take your feet off the pedals entirely, both pedals. The truck handles everything: throttle, brakes, traction control, individual wheel braking, all autonomously. You just steer. Imagine cruise control, but for crawling over a rock field. That's exactly what it is. How to use it. Put the truck in 4WD low, press the crawl button, top of the overhead console or center stack depending on model year, and use the dial to select your speed. Hands off the pedals. Steer through the obstacle. The truck does everything else. The first time you use crawl control in a real off-road situation, you'll feel like you've cheated. It walks you over terrain you'd never have attempted without it. Boulder fields, deep sand, steep declines. The truck just handles it. And here's the part nobody talks about. It works in deep sand too. Most people only think of crawl control for rocks, but on soft sand where momentum management is critical, having the truck handle throttle precisely is huge. Set it at 3 miles per hour, take your feet off, drive through a sand wash you would have gotten stuck in any other way. Available on every Tacoma TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro from 2016 forward. If you've got one of those trims and you've never used it, your truck has a superpower you haven't tested yet. Multi-Terrain Select. 6 modes most never explore. Right next to the crawl control button is a dial labeled Multi-Terrain Select, sometimes shortened to MTS. This is 6 pre-tuned modes that change how your truck's traction control, throttle response, and individual wheel braking behave. The 6 modes: mud and sand. Loosens traction control, allows more wheel slip. Critical for low grip surfaces where you need momentum. Loose rock. Balance setting for gravel, scree, and broken surfaces. Mogul. For severely uneven terrain. washboard roads, deep ruts. Lets each wheel handle independently. Rock. Maximum traction control intervention. Engine response softens for precise low-speed climbing. Rock and dirt. Mixed terrain mode. Auto. Lets the truck decide based on wheel slip data. Most owners spin the dial once, look at it, and never touch it again, because they don't know which mode does what. The dealer didn't explain. The manual treats it as one paragraph. Practical rule of thumb. If you're heading into something that isn't dry pavement, before you start moving through it, twist the dial to whichever mode best describes the surface. Then drive. The truck adjusts everything in the background. Over a long off-road day, the difference between auto and the correct specific mode is enormous. Better traction, less wheel spin, less broken parts. Quick pause. If this is being useful, hit the like button. Helps these videos reach more Tacoma owners. Back to it. The button on the TRD Pro that gives you 30% more capability, that nobody presses. This is the one I told you about in the hook. The button most TRD Pro owners have never used. It's called the Sway Bar Disconnect. On the 2024 Plus Tacoma TRD Pro, there's a switch in the overhead console, sometimes labeled SDM, Stabilizer Disconnect Mechanism, or Sway Bar, depending on the model year. What it does. Your front sway bar, also called the anti-roll bar, is a steel rod that connects your left front wheel to your right front wheel. Its job is keeping the truck flat in corners during on-road driving. Without it, the truck would lean way more in turns. But on rough off-road terrain, that sway bar becomes a limit. It prevents one wheel from drooping fully while the other is compressed, which means one wheel lifts off the ground sooner, you lose traction on that corner, and you get stuck on obstacles your truck could otherwise have crawled over. Press the disconnect button. The sway bar splits in the middle, mechanically. Each front wheel can now move independently of the other, up to about 30% more articulation than with the bar connected. The result, in a real off-road situation, a deep rut, a rock crossing, a side hill, the wheel that needs to drop, drops. The wheel that needs to climb, climbs. You keep all four tires on the ground a lot longer. You don't get high-centered. You don't need a winch. When you exit off-road and get back on pavement, push the button again, or it auto-reconnects above 18 miles per hour. Back to normal road handling. This feature exists. It's standard on the TRD Pro. The only Toyotas you can get it on. And almost nobody uses it because the dealer didn't show them, and the button looks like just another option. If you own a 2024 Plus TRD Pro and you do any actual off-roading, use it. Real quick, if you want the full written list of every hidden Tacoma feature by model year, with photos showing exactly where each button is on the dashboard, head to toyotainsider.org. Full article, free, no sign-up. Sorted by 2nd gen, 3rd gen, and 4th gen so you can scan for your specific truck. Links in the description below. Back to it. Trailer Backup Assist turns reversing a trailer into a video game. If your Tacoma has a tow package and you've ever backed a trailer into a campsite, boat ramp, or driveway, this feature is going to change your life. It's called Trailer Backup Assist, standard on most Tacoma TRD Sport, Off-Road, and Pro models from 2022 onward. Here's how it works. Park your trailer connected. Push the backup button. The truck takes over the steering wheel. You don't steer. The truck steers itself. Your job is one thing only. Turn the knob on the center console in the direction you want the trailer to go. Want the trailer to swing left? Turn the knob left. The truck calculates the steering angle, the trailer angle, and the path. It steers itself to make that happen. You manage the throttle and brake. That's it. That's the whole feature. For anyone who's wrestled with a trailer at a boat ramp, jackknifed once, or sweated through a campsite backup with the family watching, this is genuinely magical. It removes the spatial reasoning math from trailer reversing. The truck handles it. You point with a knob. The catch: you have to set up the trailer profile in the menu the first time you use a specific trailer. Sounds annoying, but it takes about 90 seconds. Measure the distance from your hitch to the trailer's axle, enter it in the menu, save the profile. Done. Next time you hitch that trailer, just select the profile. Most owners never set up the profile because they never read past the first page of the trailer section in the manual. 5 minutes of setup, forever benefit. Toyota Connected Services, the remote features most owners don't activate. Your Tacoma, if it's 2018 or newer, has built-in cellular connectivity through Toyota Connected Services. Most owners don't realize what it actually does because Toyota frames it as a security feature. Download the Toyota app. Pair it with your truck through the infotainment system. Once it's connected, here's what you get. Remote engine start. From your phone. From the office. From across the country. Press a button, the truck starts and runs the climate control for up to 10 minutes. In summer, the cabin cools to 70 degrees before you get in. In winter, it warms up. Free. Built in. Vehicle health reports. Every month, the app sends you a report of your truck's diagnostic status. Oil life, tire pressure history, mileage trends. Catches problems before warning lights trigger. Last parked location. Forgot where you parked at the mall? The app shows you. Pin on a map. Maintenance reminders. Pings you when oil change interval is approaching, when transmission service is due, when tire rotation is needed. Stolen vehicle locator. If your truck gets stolen, Toyota can track it through the cellular connection and work with police to recover it. Most of this is included for the first 10 years of ownership at no charge. The Remote Connect subscription is technically optional, but many of the safety features stay active even without it. To activate, in your truck's infotainment system, navigate to Apps arrow, Toyota app arrow, Setup. Follow the prompts. Takes about 5 minutes. Adds zero ongoing cost for the included features. This is the feature that paid for itself the first time someone tried to break into my buddy's Tacoma at a hotel parking lot, and the app pinged him in his hotel room. He went outside, the would-be thief ran. Real story, real feature. The customizable buttons most owners never program. On the 4th generation Tacoma, 2024 and newer, there are up to 4 customizable auxiliary switches mounted in the overhead console. These come pre-wired from the factory. Most owners assume they're for aftermarket lights or accessories. They are. But they're also programmable through the truck's menu. You can assign them to different default functions even without installing aftermarket gear. Common assignments. Switch 1. Toggle the bed's 120-volt AC outlet, TRD Pro/off-road, with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. Switch 2. Toggle the cargo bed lighting. Switch 3. Activate crawl control directly, faster than going through the menu. Switch 4. Toggle the multi-terrain select between 2 favorite modes, like rock and sand. Toyota built these in so that off-road shops and overland builders can wire in light bars, air compressors, and winches with proper factory wiring. But the truck also lets you assign existing functions to them, so you can put your most used buttons within reach without taking your hands off the wheel. Setup. In the infotainment under Settings arrow, Switches. 5 minutes per switch. If you've got a 4th gen TRD Off-Road or TRD Pro, and you've been ignoring these, that's untapped daily use convenience just sitting on your roof. 3 key insights worth remembering. 3 things to take with you. Insight 1. The Tacoma is more truck than the dealer showed you. You bought it based on horsepower, towing capacity, payload, and maybe trim level. But the features are where the real value lives. Every Tacoma sold in the last 5 years has more capability than the average owner uses. That's not a manufacturer problem. That's a delivery experience problem. The dealer hands you the keys, you drive home, and the truck spends years operating at 30% of what it can actually do. Today's video moves you to 70 to 80%. Insight 2. The off-road tech only works if you use it on-road first. Crawl control, multi-terrain select, sway bar disconnect, these aren't features you discover at the bottom of a rocky trail at sunset. You discover them in your driveway. You read the manual. You press the buttons. You learn what they do before you need them. The owners who get the most out of their Tacoma practice the features in low-stakes environments and then deploy them when it actually matters. Insight 3. Your truck talks to you if you let it. Tire pressure menu, the connected services app, the maintenance reminders. The Tacoma has more onboard diagnostics than any mid-size truck in its segment. Most owners ignore all of it because nothing has gone wrong yet. The owners who pay attention catch slow leaks, declining battery health, and oil consumption patterns months before they become emergencies. Your truck is trying to tell you things. Watch the screens. Tell me in the comments, which Tacoma trim and year do you have? I'll personally tell you the top 3 hidden features specific to your truck. Just drop the year and trim. I read every reply.